It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
It's a good thing you're cute, Betty. It's a good thing you're cute. Hey. I gotta pet my buddies before I leave. My buddies. It's a good thing they're cute. Sleep in the garage at night. Piss and shit everywhere. Let's turn the gasoline on. Let's turn on the headlight. Ghetto. Turn on the ignition. Taillight is working. All right, let's go to the junkyard, buy some car parts. So I want to put a turbo on that bike. I want to put a smaller and a bigger sprocket, make it a little better on the highway. Wow, fuck that wheel, all that hooning. This bike, probably gonna get a bigger and a smaller sprocket, and it's still really torque happy, so I might keep it for a stunt bike. But the parts for this bike are actually really expensive. The stator, the regulator rectifier, the CDI, the starter, everything's rare because it was only made for like 2 years. 81 and 82, I believe, after the Twin Star, before the Rebel. So it doesn't have a starter, doesn't have a regulator rectifier. But you know, I'm really not all that annoyed by the fact that it's going to be bump start only from now on. It's not that hard to start. Watch. Easy peasy. I hear a two-stroke in the distance. Two strokes make me happy. I really wanted to. When I bought the Honda, I was really looking for a two-stroke dirt bike to build a cafe racer out of. Not that it's a cafe racer now. Oh, yeah. Sweet hubcap. See myself in there. Is it still here? What are the chances it's still here? It's still here. Well, something's been cleaned out. Oil inlet. Oil inlet, oil outlet. Yeah, I think this bitch is gonna go home with me today. Checking it for play. Seems pretty good. Alright, I'm wondering if this kickstart lever will fit the height, so we're going to take it off and check right quick. Shit is rusty. All right. fall off. That's awesome. Alright, well I bought the turbocharger. I bought rashed aluminum. It's a little big to carry on the motorcycle. I ain't gonna sweat it. Well, here's hoping that turbo's good. Junkman said he wanted 40 for the intercooler and the turbocharger, but I found out that when you're running a draw-through carburetor turbo system, you can't really have an intercooler. When the fuel mixture gets, air fuel mixture gets cooled down, the fuel falls out of suspension.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.